Hello, it's IT Vensak Sana. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video we are going to see how can delete and deactivate Facebook account. You can delete your account for many reasons. Also you can deactivate your account for many reasons. In today's video we are going to see step by step how can we delete or deactivate our Facebook account. Let's go step by step. First, click on three lines in the corner and scroll down, click to settings. We have settings and privacy. We click on settings, then in settings we see many options, but we use see more in account center. We click see more and in account center, then you wait. Here we see many options again. Remember that your Facebook can be connected or matching with your Instagram and your WhatsApp, or the three account you can find here. Then here we choose manage accounts. When we choose manage accounts, we found the accounts you have. For example, I have Facebook account, I have Instagram account, and I have a WhatsApp account. All three accounts are appearing here. And remember that we are going to delete Facebook account, not Instagram account or WhatsApp account. That's why we choose the manage on Facebook account. We click to manage. After clicking to manage, we see we click to deactivation or duration of account. We are going to delete. Here you see two options, deactivating and deleting. To mean deactivating is temporary. You are going to delete your account temporary, but deleting it is permanent. Means that you will no longer see your account. While deactivating, you can still messaging someone, and also someone can message you, but the post, the photo, the video you once we click to continue, we see many reasons, and everyone can here we choose to delete the account. Delete you choose any because we're reason you want to delete the account. For example, I just need a break. I have my previous concerns. My account was hacked. It depends on you, on your reason. Then choose the reason you want to delete the account. Once you want, you finish to choose the reason. Here, you click to continue. For example, someone whose account was hacked, you can choose my account was hacked, then you click to continue. Then once you click to continue, also you click to continue. I think there is no reason to read or explain each word. Once you click to continue, also we scroll down and down. Also here we click to continue again. Click to continue, and here once you finish to click to continue, you are asked to enter your account password. To mean that everyone can take your phone and go step by step to delete you and try to delete your account, but he or she hasn't your password. Means that you must put your password in order to confirm that the account which is going to be deleted is yours. And once you enter the password, the correct password, your account is already deleted. And thank you much thank you very much for watching this video. It's Advance.